Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, either the little tool or paperclip, to pop out the tray, you will need to first take off a case if you have one on. Well, I do, so I'm just gonna pop it off. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone, or right over here. As you'll see, there is two different insert areas, or at least look like they are two different ones. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here, so closer to the edge. As you can see, you want to push the pin in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and yoink it out. Now on the tray you will have space for two different SIM cards, as you can see, one on either side, and they are labeled as SIM1 and SIM2. Now if you're using just one SIM card, don't worry, you can place it on either top or bottom, it will not matter whatsoever. And obviously if you want to use dual SIM card, you can. So placing my card on here, make sure that it is clipped in place. It should not be falling out if you flip it upside down. There we go. When inserted, the card should start working right away. Let's give it a second, and there we go. It tells me to verify my PIN. And that's it. It's now verified, and the card is looking for connection. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.